Ask Fleur was derived from me going networking. I did have another business name, but I wasn't sure about it. So networking is a strength of mine in business. And so I went networking, I think in a business week, something like 7 different events, and I tested it out. And I had some ideas from past clients. They were giving me some suggestions, and a lot of people were putting forward the idea to include my name in the business name, but I didn't want to be Fleur Allen Consulting or FA Consulting and all those things. It's just that's just not a good culture match for me and the way I present in business. I just wanted something a bit unique and a bit different. And I went to a really beautiful event. It happened to be an all women's event. I don't only work with women, but this event was just for all women. It was a business and women event. And I had my name tag, Fleur Allen. I didn't have the business name. So I thought I'd test it out. And overwhelmingly, everybody just loved the name. And people who know me and have known me for a long time, both personally and in business, say it's such a great name. It really does describe what I do. And that's in terms of coaching and consulting. People ask me, so they ask me for the knowledge that I have in different areas. So, for example, increasing your revenue, to build a business that you love and enjoy, and ultimately a life that you love and enjoy. And in my fundraising consulting, increasing revenue through fundraising through individual giving. So that's the story behind how Ask Fleur came about. It was all through my community. It came from my networks, and that is really meaningful to me and important to me. And subscribe to my channel so you can receive my next update. Have a fabulous day.